Last time, we discussed that economics is a social science. However, most economic theories and principles can also find several applications in education, international trade, labor, health, transportation, analysis of environmental problems, including pollution and overfishing, as well as in understanding crimes and other social ills. Therefore, economics can also be classified as an applied science. In order to fully understand how economics can be applied in several fields, let us use a framework in understanding decisions using economic analysis. For this, we will be using the cost-benefit analysis. In making any decision, an individual is always motivated by benefits. However, pursuing any choice implies that there are costs accompanying the benefits arising from this behavior. This cost can be expressed in terms of money, time, resources, and other goods and activities being sacrificed or foregone. Thus, in making any decision, we have to weigh in and compare the benefits derived and the costs incurred. Not only are we making a comparison, we want to make sure that our net benefits are positive, and as much as possible, it will yield the highest net returns. These net benefits may be expressed in terms of surplus, net satisfaction, net returns, or profit, depending on the decision maker. Another framework that we can use is the marginal analysis. Since a decision or choice made is always prospective, what is important is not the absolute value of benefits and costs, but the additional or marginal benefits and marginal cost. Marginal benefits are the additional benefit derived from an additional activity, while marginal costs are the additional costs incurred from an additional production of a good or service. Let us now take a look at this graph. The green line represents your marginal benefit, while the red line represents your marginal cost. On this side, your marginal benefit is greater than your marginal cost, which means that your net marginal benefit is positive and your total net benefit is still increasing. This means that if you continue on doing the said activity, your marginal benefit will keep on increasing until it meets your marginal cost, and this will be your goal. At this point, where your marginal benefit and marginal cost are equal, your net benefits are at maximum. Proceeding on doing the said activity will result in your marginal cost being greater than your marginal benefits. This means that your net marginal benefit would be negative and your total marginal benefit would be decreasing. Although the condition for attaining maximum net benefit may appear very simple, this straightforward equation is altered by many factors. These differentiating factors may be the source of economic and business problems, including excess consumption, inadequate investment, unemployment, excess production capacity, and many more. These factors pertain to the recognition and the valuation of benefits and costs by economic actors. Some benefits and costs may be recognized or not by a decision maker, simply because some of them are explicit costs. Explicit costs are easily recognized since they are expressed in monetary terms and may involve actual financial outlays. On the other hand, implicit costs may not have to incur any monetary expense, making it difficult for some economic actors to recognize them. The same is true for explicit benefits and implicit benefits. Explicit benefits can be measured in monetary terms for levels of satisfaction or utility, while implicit benefits are non-measurable. Another thing to consider would be the differences in valuation. So even if the decision maker has recognized the benefits and costs of his or her action, various individuals may have different valuation of these. This is true for everyone. Not everyone has the same valuation for one thing. For example, one person can value sleep more than money, and one person can value money more than sleep. And with that, we can conclude that economics is an applied science. Social, economic, and business issues arise because of the differences in marginal costs and marginal benefits. And these are due to the non-recognition as well as the differences in valuing the implicit components of the benefits and costs. And that's it for today. Thank you and good luck.